Welcome to week 5 of our class for ED 604. The first assignment this week is a reminder to just finish reading your book that you've selected and taking your own notes. Nothing is due this week, but you should aim to finish by the end of this week or very beginning of next week, because next week is your final time to have a discussion with your book team and plan your actual presentation, which will be posted the following week. So try to finish up that reading and taking notes on what you find really useful information to share with your classmates. The main assignment for this week is for you to go through a series of mini lessons within a module around social emotional learning and various aspects. There are links to check out, narrated PowerPoints and screencast-o-matics, and there are resources for you to read and videos to watch. When you're finished with that, you will have a chance to reflect on 3 questions, a paragraph for each question, thinking about what you're taking away from the resources and those insights that you can apply to your own practice or your own perceptions and how you're seeing education and the needs of our students met in the classrooms or the coaching fields. And the final assignment this week is our last week for our TED Talk posts. So Group C will be posting their videos, and then the rest of you will be responding to at least 2 of those during the second portion of the week. Group C members should remember to post by midnight on Wednesday so that then your classmates can look at it between Thursday and Sunday to post their reflections and questions for you. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful week.